Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hillside. Today's the first day of fall and I got something special for you. Today I'm doing a reversed question and answer where I'm going to ask you guys the questions, and then once you answer one of the questions in the comments down below, then you get to ask me a question, and once I get enough responses, I'll make a video where I answer just the questions you have for me. So let's go. So the first question is, how'd you find the channel? Were you searching for a specific thing? Was it just browsing through? Did it randomly pop up? Was it recommended to you? Whatever it was. So how'd you find the channel? Question number one. Alright guys, so question number two. What was your favorite video? Was it this video? Was it another one? Did you only watch one other one, so that's your favorite kind of by default? Maybe? Okay, favorite video. Leave it down below. Okay guys, number three. What did you try that was new this year? Whether it be a new flower, a new vegetable, a new growing technique, new fertilizer, new soil. Did you grow something in ground for the first time where you'd only done containers in the past? What was it? What'd you do that's new this year, guys? Answer that down below. Alright, so question number four. What was the biggest surprise this year? Now, let's make it the best surprise, as in, this is the first year I've done something this well. Like, this is the best year of tomatoes I've ever had. This is the best lettuce I've ever grown this year. Most flowers, most blooms, whatever it might be. What was your biggest surprise? Won't know unless you leave a comment down below. Okay, so question four was the biggest surprise. Question five, your biggest disappointment. Was it just the weather this year ruined your cucumber crop? Was it bugs? Was it the deer got into something? What was it that was your biggest disappointment this year in the garden? Then you put it down in there, right down there. Next question. What kind of gardener are you? Do you only grow flowers? Do you only get to grow vegetables? Do you have a giant farm? Are you off-grid? Are you no-till? Are you conventional methods? Do you use pesticides? Are you only organic? Do you make your own compost? What kind of gardener are you? Let me know down below. So, what's your favorite thing about gardening? That's the next question. Is it the flowers? Is it the blooms in the morning? Is it, going to pick that fresh produce, that first tomato of the season? What is it you like most about gardening? Oh, and then down there. Yep. All right, so next question. Do you fall or winter garden? Do you plant seeds in the fall for a deliberate fall crop? Have you ever winter sown? Do you use season extension devices? Do you have a greenhouse? Do you keep things going in the wintertime? It's getting fall, so kind of an important question. Is that something you're going to do this fall? Depending when you're watching a video. If you're watching it in spring, you got time to plan on it. But maybe you get some good tips here to help you when it does become fall and you decide to grow a fall garden or try to overwinter some things along the way. Alright guys, question number 9, we're almost done. Self-identify. Do you start your own seeds or do you buy plants? There's no right or wrong answer. Some people love starting their own seeds. Sometimes people just don't have time for that kind of thing, or they don't have the room because they're in an apartment, or they just don't have the facilities for grow lights and things like that, or maybe they just garden on such a large scale that it's really impractical to grow 400 tomato plants from seed and then try to transplant all those into a field because you have a farmer's market or a farm stand, or you just can tons of tomatoes or something, which would be that'd be a lot of tomatoes. It's a lot of tomatoes. Yeah, which one are you? Leave the comment down below. Okay, and for the final question, what do you guys want to see more of in this channel? Is there something, a favorite topic you've had? Is there something that you said, what, that's awesome, I want to come back for more of this content? Is there this kind of wraps up to all the stuff, all the other questions kind of tie into this. I'm making these videos to help people out there learn, trying to show some knowledge and try to teach people along the way. So if there's something in particular you want to see or a topic I haven't covered, let me know in the comments down below, and I definitely, if I'm able to, make a video on that if it's something I'm knowledgeable about or have the resources or the plant here to demonstrate. But some way, one way or the other, I will get that information, that content out to you guys. So that's my first reverse question and answer, the first day of fall here in 2020. Hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to reading all y'all's comments down below. So go ahead and get going, and as soon as I get some comments from you guys, I'll make a video answering your questions that you provided down below. So guys, thanks for participating in this first reverse Q&A. If this is a good format, let me know. If I'd have wasted a lot of people's time, put that down there too, because I've never done this idea before, so hopefully it works. If not, you know, we'll make some other videos, and I'll catch you there next time, guys. All right, signing off from the hillside. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.